Soil organic matter is the cornerstone of soil health. We talk about soil organic matter and soil carbon interchangeably because soil carbon is a component of soil organic matter. So when we talk about soil organic matter, we're talking about the capacity of the soil to hold water, to hold nutrients, to help develop big root systems for our plants, to make the whole system more resilient in the face of extreme climate events. So over the 7-week webinar series, I'll take you on a journey down the soil carbon pathway. We'll talk about the concepts, the science and the practices involved in building soil carbon, and this will allow you to build soil carbon on your own farm.
So, how to build topsoil, all run by a top bloke. We do hope that you're able to join us in February for this webinar series.